This is Technixia Smart Door Lock. We can operate it in multiple modes, and this is completely voice supported. First of all, let's see, it's locked now, and the first mode I'm showing you is the passcode.
Input unlock information. Unlocked.
It's unlocked now. And the second mode I'm showing you is the fingerprint.
Unlocked.
See, we can unlock now, and we can add multiple family members' fingerprint to it. And the third mode I'm showing you is the access card.
Input unlocked.
See, we can unlock now, and we also have a mechanical key, and we can operate it from one more mode, that is we can get one-time dynamic code from the app, and that is valid for just 5 minutes in case we need it. Also, from the inside the door we have a privacy key. If we turn it on, only just the admin will be able to access and no other people will be able to access, and I'm not the admin, it will not allow me to access. I will not get the access. That's it. Thank you.